In the world of software development, I think we're always striving for that perfect combination of fast, cheap, easy to deploy, and I think we all know the reality is that it doesn't often work out that way, right? We have to sort of pick and choose how we do things. And in the world of AI, especially in the world of generative AI, I think we've all seen things that pretend to be that, right? They're fast, they deploy quickly, but they end up being AI slop, right? We're all, I think, tired of seeing that type of thing out there in the world. I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. There are alternatives, there are better ways, and what I'm talking about is using tools like Google's AI Studio, Google Anti-Gravity, and even Gemini CLI to build applications that really do check all the boxes that enterprise developers need. What I mean by that is that we're able to, by creating things like agents.md, by creating skills, importing other people's skills, using things like MCP servers, we're able to build applications quickly in the way that we like to build them. And that means a number of things. One, stylistic things that I like. For example, when I build internal applications for my company, we have very clear guidelines on what they should look and feel like. I don't want to explain to a model every time I work with it how I want things to look and feel. I want to bring that every time I work on an application. Likewise, my security team has very clear requirements for how I can build applications in the enterprise. Again, it's exhausting, and worse, I can make mistakes if I have to give that information to my agent every time we build. As a result, by building out a sort of template or a scaffolding of the types of skills, agent instructions, and MCP servers that I work with within Anti-Gravity, within AI Studio, or within Gemini CLI, I'm able to quickly get to work, briefly describe what I'd like to prototype or start building, or even features I'd like to modify in an existing application, and my agent can get to work immediately. Pair that same approach with some of the latest and greatest lightweight models that Google have produced, and you really do get the perfect combination of high quality, per your instructions, and fast deployment. And why does that matter? It means that we can iterate, we can build quicker, we can launch quicker, we can deploy, and we can do it in a secure, controlled, and importantly, predictable way. You don't have to take my word for any of this. All of the technologies I just mentioned are available today for you to make use of. So go check out AI Studio, check out Anti-Gravity, check out Gemini CLI, and let me know how it goes, what are you building, and are you having success or are you still struggling? I'd love to hear more.